Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to set up and install your HP LaserJet Pro MFP M283FDW series printer on your Windows device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All you have to do is open up a web browser, and you want to go ahead and search for HP LaserJet Pro MFP space M283 FDW support. Best results should come back with an HP support page, HP Color LaserJet Pro MFP M283 FDW. Go ahead and open that up. And on this page, going underneath the support category, this is software and drivers. Go ahead and select that. And then scrolling down again, you want to select the HP Easy Start Printer Setup software. Go ahead and download that. And then once it's done, go ahead and open up that file, and you just close out of the browser. It should be a verified publisher, HP Inc. Select yes. And then just go ahead and follow through the on-screen wizard here, getting it configured if you want to have certain software and features enabled with your printer. And that's pretty much all you have to do. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.